friends, we can see the voltage references. Here voltage reference, it is a circuit that is primarily designed for providing a constant voltage independent of changes in temperature and is called as voltage references. The main important characteristics of the voltage reference is the temperature coefficient of the output reference voltage, that is TCR, and is expressed as TCR equal to dVR divided by dt. And some of the properties of the voltage references are: reference voltage must be independent of any temperature change, and second one, reference voltage must have good power supply rejection, which is as independent of the supply voltage as possible. And the third one is output voltage must be as independent of the loading of output current as possible, or in other words, the circuit should have low output impedance. Here the voltage reference circuit is used to bias the voltage source circuit, and the combination can be called as the voltage regulators. And here the temperature stability is of the order of 100 ppm per degree Celsius, and it is typically expected. Here we can see the voltage sources one by one. First one is voltage reference circuits using the temperature compensation. This is the circuit showing the temperature compensation scheme. Here this design utilizes the closed thermal coupling actuable among the monolithic components. This technique compensates the non-thermal drift by introducing an opposing and compensating drift source of equal magnitude. Here, when we are seeing the constant current source, I, it is supplied to the avalanche diode dB, and it is provide a bias current of VB to the base of this Q1. The temperature dependence of this VBE drop across this Q1 and thus across D1 and D2 result in the temperature coefficients. And the use of the resistor R1 and R2 with tapping across them at point N compensate for the temperature drifts in the base emitter draw loop of D1. This results in generating a voltage reference VR with nominal zero temperature coefficient. This is the thing I have already explained. And the next one is voltage reference using avalanche diode reference. Here, a voltage reference can be implemented using the breakdown phenomena condition of a heavily doped PN junction. The Zener breakdown is the main mechanism for junction which break down at the voltages of 5 volt or less, and for integrator transistor the base emitter breakdown fall in the range of 6 to 8. Therefore, the breakdown in the junctions of the integrated transistor is due to the avalanche multiplication. The avalanche breakdown voltage VB of a transistor incurs a positive temperature coefficient in the range of 2 mV per degree Celsius to 5 mV per degree Celsius. Here this diagram, the first one shows the avalanche diode and the second one shows the temperature compensation. Here this base bias of this, that is the base bias of the junction, base bias of the transistor Q1, it is provided through R1, and it is also provides the DC current needed for this dB, D1 and D2. The voltage at the base of Q1 is equal to the Zener voltage VBE added with 2 diode drops due to D1 and D2, and the voltage across R2 is equal to the voltages at the base of this Q1, and it is less than the sum of the base emitter voltages of Q1 and Q2. Therefore, the voltage across R2 is approximately equal to dB equal to VB. Since Q2 and Q3 acts as a current mirror circuit, therefore I0 is equal to the current through R2. Therefore, I0 equal to VB divided by R2. Here, when we are using this equation, it shows that the output current I0 has low temperature coefficient, and if the temperature coefficients of R2 is low, and it produces the diffuse resistance in IC fabrication. and the zero temperature coefficients of the output circuit can be achieved if these diodes are connected in series with R2, so that we can compensate for the temperature variations of R2 plus VB. And here the transistor Q4 and Q5 forms an active load circuit, current mirror circuit, and the voltage base voltage of Q1 is the voltage VB, that is across this dB. Therefore, this VB can be given as by using the equation, that is VB equal to VBE into N plus VBE across Q1 plus VB across Q2 plus drop across R2. Here this N is the number of diodes used, and it can be expressed as VB equal to N plus 2 VBE minus I naught into R2. When we are differentiating the all VB, I naught, R2 and VBE partially with respect to temperature T, therefore we can get the equation as dou VB by dou T equal to N plus 2 into dou VB divided by dou T plus R2 into dou I naught divided by dou T, and plus I naught into dou R2 divided by dou T, and dividing throughout the equation by I naught and R2. Therefore we are getting the value for I by I naught dou I naught by dou T equal to 0, which is equal to 1 by R2 into I naught dou VB divided by dou T minus N plus 2 into dou VB divided by dou T minus 1 by R2 into dou R2 divided by dou T. Thank you.